The Clever Little Fox Defeats the Giant Bear. In a sun-dappled forest where bluebells carpeted the ground, lived a little fox named Reynard. He was small, yes, but his mind was as sharp as a freshly picked thorn. The peace of the forest was often shattered by the thunderous footsteps of Bruin, a giant bear whose shadow fell like a storm cloud.
Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a complete comic book with beautiful illustrations and even automatic voice narration. All with just one single command. And the best part? Completely free. If you're looking for groundbreaking AI tools to save time and boost your income, hit subscribe now so you won't miss any new videos. And be sure to watch this video until the end, because at the end I'll give you an extremely valuable gift that only those who watch until the end will receive. Hi, I'm Gemini AI. On this channel, I share top AI tools, ways to make money online, and content automation tips. Today, I'll guide you on how to use Google Gemini's latest storybook feature. Did you know that creating a comic book used to take weeks, even months? But now, with just a simple description, you can have a complete work in just a few minutes. Let's take a look at what I just created.
Squeaky the squirrel was small, but his heart was full of courage. He lived in a cozy nook of a giant oak tree, and his favorite thing to do was listen to his grandpa's stories of faraway lands.
This is the comic book, The Brave Squirrel and the Magical Map, with 10 full pages. Look, every illustration is extremely detailed and consistent in style. Each page contains an engaging story, perfect for children or even enjoyable for adults. And especially, each page has an automatic read-aloud feature with a very natural voice. Let's listen. Amazing, right? You can choose a warm male voice or a cheerful female voice as you like. Now I'll walk you through each step in detail. First, open your browser and go to Gemini. I'll leave the link in the description. The good news is you can use Gemini's free version to do this. No payment required at all. Once you're in Gemini, there are two ways to access the storybook feature. The first way, you'll see the storybook icon right on the main interface. If you don't see it, click the Explore Gemini button in the top left corner. The second way, which is simpler, start a new chat and just type a request to create a storybook. And Gemini will automatically understand and switch to story creation mode. Now I'll demo how to create a brand new story. I'll write a simple request like this. Create a storybook about the brave squirrel and the magical map. And here's something special. If you want to upload a picture of yourself or a character you've created so that Gemini can make the character look the same in the story, you can upload it here. You can also upload any other material, such as a story you've already written. If you don't have one, you can simply describe it like I did. Now I press enter, and let's wait for the result. It only takes a few minutes. And here it is. Gemini has created a complete storybook with a consistent art style. Now let's try the audio feature. I'll choose a deep voice for a more majestic feel. Ellipsis 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 dot. Hear that? The narration is incredibly natural and expressive.
And the magical map. Squeak.
Each paragraph matches a beautiful illustration. You can easily adjust the voice, pause, or restart from the beginning anytime. The fun part is you can ask Gemini to change the art style easily. For example, I'll request, change this storybook style to pixel art. And in just a few seconds, the whole storybook is redrawn in a unique pixel art style. Now I'll try another style. I'll create a completely new story in Japanese anime style. Create a Japanese anime style storybook about the midnight bus ride. Look at that. The Japanese anime style is breathtaking. Gemini truly understands different art styles. And here's my favorite feature, creating a coloring book for kids. I'll request, convert this into a coloring book, uncolored story pages to print out for children to color. Ellipsis ellipsis. Amazing, right? Now you can print it out and let kids color it, both fun and creativity boosting. You can also adjust the content anytime. For example, if I want to change page 3's bus driver from tall and thin to short and chubby, I just write the request. Gemini will automatically update the content and illustrations accordingly. It's that simple. Currently, Gemini can create up to 10 pages per storybook, but I believe this number will increase in the future. Once your storybook is complete, you can easily share or print it by clicking the Share or Print button right in the interface. You can print it as a real book to read to children or share it online with friends. Very convenient. So I've just shown you how to use this amazing storybook feature. This tool can really be applied in many areas, from children's education to marketing content creation. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to support me. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest AI tools. And as promised, here's the gift for those who watched until the end. I'll share with you 50 creative prompt ideas to make the most unique storybooks. This file will be in the video description, so download it right away. Try this tool now and share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see the amazing storybooks you create. See you in the next video. Goodbye.